What's up, guys? Today's Palma Day is brought to you by Hostess Ding Dongs. Hostess Ding Dongs. Chocolate cake with creamy filling on the inside. Try one today.
Imagine getting into a chocolate-flavored boat and sailing around a fudgy moat to a chocolate-flavored castle.
This must be King Ding Dong's castle. Look at all those ding dongs.
Have one.
Thanks, King Ding Dong.
When you eat a Hostess Ding Dong, there's a whole world of chocolate flavor in each and every bite.
Cream filling, too.
Delicious Hostess Ding Dongs. You'll find a chocolate-flavored world in every bite.
Alright, guys. That King Ding Dong's castle looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I wouldn't mind floating down a chocolate river to a castle full of chocolate. But let's check out today's problem. We have Larry, who ate 8 ding dongs 7 days in a row. So he's been busy eating ding dongs during this quarantine. And if he keeps eating 8 ding dongs a day, how many more days will it take him to eat 100 ding dongs total? So he's already eaten some ding dongs. How many more days will it take him to eat 100 if he keeps eating 8 per day? Go ahead and pause the video at this point so you can solve the problem. Once you've solved the problem, go ahead and press play to continue the video where I'll go over the answer for you. Alright, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you were able to solve this problem. Let's go ahead and go over the answer. Now, we see here that we're dealing with a multiplication problem. Larry ate 8 ding dongs 7 days in a row. So I need to figure out, first of all, how many ding dongs has he already eaten? Alright, so let's go with red first here. And we have he eats 8 a day for 7 days. So I have 8 times 7. That's my first step. Alright, so I know that 8 times 7 is 56. Right? If you don't know what 8 times 7 is, you can use the doubling strategy, you can use the distributive property, or you can do repeated addition and add 8 7 times. What I would do is I would break apart the 7 into 8 times 5 plus 8 times 2, and that might be the easiest. Alright, so we have he ate 56 ding dongs so far. Now I'm going to write 100 right here, because that's how many ding dongs we want to figure out how many he needs to keep eating. Alright, I'm going to subtract 56 that he's already eaten. Now, I have 0 minus 6. I can't do that, so I need to borrow, but I don't have any tens here to borrow, so I need to go to my hundreds and borrow from the hundreds column, which leaves me with none there. I put 9 of my tens in my tens column, and I put 1 set of tens in my ones column, giving me 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. He still needs to eat 44 ding dongs. Alright, now I'm going to write a number sentence here. Let's use purple. Something times 8 that equals 44. Alright. Now I want to figure out the n here stands for how many more days does he need to eat 8 ding dongs in order to get to the 44 that will get him to 100. Alright. So I know that 5 times 8 is 40. But if he only eats 5 more days worth of ding dongs, that gives him 40 plus 56. That would only be 96 ding dongs. So he actually needs to eat, we know that 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 ding dongs. That would give us 100. 48 plus 56 would actually give us 104. So how many more days will it take him to eat 100 ding dongs if he keeps eating 8 ding dongs a day? Well, it's going to take him 6 more days. 6 more days. 6 more days at 8 ding dongs a day gives us 48 ding dongs. 48 plus our 56 is going to give us